them as they approach again with that very minimum wingtip to wingtip separation. A great photo opportunity for your cameras from the right.